You may have ideas about making your estate plan, but how's your family going to take your choices? Will they understand the whys? I'm Ann Michelle Hart, Hart Law PLLC. I'm an estate planning attorney in Washington State. It may not seem as if your adult children need to know what's in your estate plan, but it's really important they hear from you the reasons why, especially if they were expecting a sizable inheritance. We've all heard from famous parents like Bill Gates, Warren Buffett, and Jeff Bezos stating that their children won't inherit their wealth. Their kids have been able to plan for their futures accordingly. There are stories about adult children making assumptions about the size of their inheritance and then getting caught in financial binds when they didn't get it. Nobody wants to talk about death in general, and the communication becomes even more uncomfortable if you have to explain something that a family member doesn't want to hear. Like the daughter who expected to receive equal shares in her mother's estate and didn't expect to find her sibling receiving a larger share in exchange for providing care to the mother in her final years. Or the son from a man's first marriage who wasn't expecting their father to include stepchildren from a second marriage as equal beneficiaries in a trust. Hurt feelings caused by these surprises can lead to litigation. Parents can avoid this if they are more open and honest with their adult children about their estate plans and the reasons why. Probate attorneys often find themselves telling family members, well, we don't know what the deceased person intended or why because they're not here to tell us. Wouldn't it be nice if we could get those answers before it's too late? Well, you can. An estate planning attorney, I offer to my clients several options that may help reduce the discomfort around telling adult children of your decisions. First, I offer to let adult children sit in on the planning if it's okay with their parents. The children not only know how the process unfolds, but they can often help the parents with advice on what to do in the estate planning. Now, I make it clear that the parents are in control and they make the decision. The children are only there for advice. Second, I offer to hold a family meeting after the estate plan is finished to explain to the family what's in the estate plan and to answer any questions they may have. And third, if they don't want to do either of those options, I suggest that they write a letter to their family or letters to their family members explaining their choices. Ideally, they would share these letters with their family members prior to their passing, but a sealed letter could be delivered after your death. Ensure that your voice is heard by your loved ones. Give them insight into your choices. Appropriate communication is the best way to ensure peace in your family following your death. Let me help make your estate planning less stressful for you and your family. Call me. I'm Ann Hart, Hart Law PLLC, your attorney with Hart. You can find my contact information at the end of this video.